turf war between the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and the Lieutenant Governor Najeeb Jung has flared up again. The LG cancelled Aam Aadmi Party's appointment of Swati Maliwal as the Delhi Commission for Women chairperson. In a statement, the LG office insisted that the LG is the sole authority in Delhi on major issues including top appointments. The Constituent Assembly of India, while drafting the constitution, had agreed that Delhi, as the national capital, should remain a union territory. Delhi was redesignated as the National Capital Territory by an Act of Parliament in 1993. Article 239AA in the Constitution is worded in such a way that it leaves room for vagueness in the powers of the CM and LG. Issues of land, law and order, and police remain with the central government through the Lieutenant Governor. Kejriwal has alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, through the Lieutenant Governor, wants to make the Delhi government bow to him. In a letter to Jung, he wrote, "It is important for public good that the DCW should function in an appropriate manner. For us, this is not an ego battle." Jung, in response, asked Kejriwal in a letter to reissue notification concerning the DC appointments as the file had not been processed properly. Even as this chapter between Kejriwal and Jung seems to end on a conciliatory note, the power tussle in the capital looks to continue.